So come first, I'll give you an example and show you how this AI chatbot is going to run. So let's say I'm going to type my query on WhatsApp and I'm going to send this query. So as you can see, I sent a message, hey, can you suggest something good for dinner? And within seconds and in real time, it is giving me the suggestion for dinner. Let's say I'm going to give my specifications. So I'm going to type my question and once again, I'm going to send the question. I like spicy food and prefer vegetarian dishes. So yes, you're going to see within seconds it is sharing me something spicy which is vegetarian and good for dinner. Let's say I'm going to ask another question. I'm going to type my question and I'm going to send it. I told, can I get it delivered? And within seconds and in real time this AI chatbot is replying me for this too. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we are going to learn and create in today's video. And if you also want to create this for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end and follow me through the screen. So now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I have opened the AI assistant of Pabbly Chatflow, which is a blank AI assistant. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow. From the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant and open your AI assistant. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. Once you click on sign up for free, you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then come inside Pabbly Chatflow, follow me and let's see how we can create this AI chatbot. So grab your laptops and let's create this. Right now you can create this for free. So let's create this together. But for that, first you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, for that we have attached a video tutorial in the description box below. You can check it out and you're going to learn step by step how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After you add the WhatsApp number, follow me. Alright, so once you open this window, the first thing it is asking for is the instruction type. So you can select it as custom prompt if you wish to give a custom prompt. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can select any one from this also. I'm going to select it as AI agent. Now the instructions will be added automatically. So if you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points from here, but if you don't wish, you can keep it as same and move on further. The next is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. But if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I want more focused answers, so I'm going to keep the temperature near to 0. For the AI to use, select OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to keep it as GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now for the API key, we have to get this API key. To get this API key, you have to open your OpenAI API key page. Once you come on this page, in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of create a new secret key. So click on this option. For the name of the key, enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created. So copy this key and paste it in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this connect and automatically you're going to see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So we have successfully added the API key. Now it is asking me for the assistant settings. So we can have multiple settings: header message, footer message, stop keywords and much more. One by one I'll let you know about this. So first is this header and footer message. So over here you can enter the text to append at the top of the messages, and same goes for the footer message. So you have to simply type the text and it will be added over here, and the maximum characters are 60. Alright, so it depends upon you how you wish the header or a footer message to be. The next is this stop keyword. So you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. How you can add the keyword? You have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is really important that you press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. Once you add some stop keywords, what is going to happen is, like let's say whenever user types this stop, like this keyword which you have entered, automatically the AI assistant will not reply them further. The AI assistant is going to stop right there only, and then a manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. So what you can do is, to guide your users, you can add a footer message that type stop in order to stop the AI assistant or something like that, so that your user have a guide that how they can stop this AI assistant. Now we have this retry attempts. So here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. Now we have this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address in this message, so that whenever user has some emergency and the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly, they can contact you on your support email address. And with this we have completed this AI instructions. Let's move towards this knowledge source. So like I showed you in the starting of this video, that AI was answering all the questions automatically, and I told you that I've uploaded a knowledge base using which the AI is answering my question. So the question is how we can create this knowledge base. So first of all, for that you have to open a blank Google document, and after opening that blank Google document, enter the knowledge unique to your business in that Google document. Include FAQs, company background and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering the questions. So as you can see, I'm going to show you my knowledge base. Just a minute. So as you can see that this is the knowledge base for my restaurant, and as you can see that I've mentioned everything over here: the dishes name, the description, the price, the reservation system and everything, and using this only it was replying me. So first of all you have to enter the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc. Go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT formats because TXT is preferred, because for PDF we don't have any page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you download this in TXT format. I've downloaded this in TXT right now, so let's upload it. How we can upload this? Go to this, choose a file, then from the left hand of the side go in this download and upload this knowledge base like this. It is very easy, and as you can see that my knowledge base will be uploaded right over here, and as you can see that we have successfully uploaded this knowledge base. Now after uploading this knowledge base, go to this assistant interface. It is asking me for the heading name, so over here you have to enter the name of your brand. So the name of my brand is the Tandoori Table, so I'm going to enter the same. Now for the subheading, if you wish you can definitely edit it. If you wish you can keep it as same. Whatever you will edit over here will be displayed here too. Now we have this initial message, so if you wish you can definitely add up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add the initial message like this. Now the next is display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display this, keep it as enable, otherwise you can disable it right from here and it will disappear. I'm going to enable it. Now for the footer text, you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Same goes for the footer link. Footer text will turn into the link if you add the link. If the link is not added, the footer text will show as text only. Now we have this user's first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user, so you have to type this initial message too. After entering this, you can move in further towards the styling, and over here you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, then you can change the shape, and you can change the button colors, text colors, background colors and much more. Not only this, if you wish you can definitely update the background picture, profile picture and header profile picture too. You can add your company's logo over here too to make this AI chatbot look yours. So yes, you can see we have completed this AI chatbot. Now what we have to do is we have to save this. So to save this, make sure you switch on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. And with this, we have successfully saved this AI Assistant. Now we have created and saved this, but how can we use it for our business? For that, you have to go to this embedded and you're going to get this script. So you can copy and paste this script on your website and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone is going to click on this Start Chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this message which you have selected as the user's first message will be sent from them towards your WhatsApp number, and then the AI assistant is going to get activated and it is going to reply them further. You don't have to do anything, you just have to sit back and relax. And further, if you want to assign this AI assistant to particular contacts, you can go towards this inbox section. Alright, so I'm just going to open it in a new tab, and what you can do is, let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this chat. So I'm going to go towards this choose AI assistant and I'm going to select the AI assistant and click on this save. Now whenever I'm going to receive any message from this chat, this AI assistant is going to reply. Further, if I want to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, what I have to do is I have to go to its this settings, then inbox settings. I have to scroll and go to its this enable AI auto reply, switch this on right from here. Once you switch it on, you have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. And further, if you want to learn how to create contacts, go on this contact section, and over here you can create contacts and list using which you can assign the AI assistant. If you want to learn about any another feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail like contacts, AI assistant, flows or something else, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of this has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and know more. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI chatbot. So now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And further, if you have any questions related to this AI chatbot, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips and AI chatbots, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.